So our goal on this driveway is to tie into this existing line. Now very often you have to tie in at the right-of-way line with a standard perpendicular from the perpendicular to the road, different from this one. So we're going to start off with a partial offset of I don't have a right-of-way line in, we'll just assume it's 30 feet off the edge of pavement there, and I'll say partial offset. I want to make sure all my locks, 30-foot offset's fine, everything else is unlocked. Locate element, edge of pavement, and I'm going to go 30 feet off and just eyeballing it because I'm going to trim it later. It doesn't have to be exact by any means. Okay. Next thing I want to do is I want to have my center line, so I'm using the match. There we go, and it should change to geom baseline driveway. This way it's going to be the right symbology and whatnot. I'm just going to do a line, and I can do a skewed by angle, but I'm just going to use a perpendicular because it's a valid relationship. I'm going to go intersection. So this would be my right-of-way line in the center of the existing driveway, and I'll go perpendicular. Want to see that glyph there? All right. Before I move on, I want to make sure it's behaving as I expected, that the relationships are there. Intersection, perpendicular, outstanding. Okay, now I'm going to go back to what I did previously on the other driveway, which is, looks like 6. All right, mirror, looks like this should go really quickly. Oops, I want to make sure my edge of pavement is the right. There we go. And hit that again. So I should be able to say from this, 6 feet off, mirror, yes. To get the trims in the back, I will just go drawing production, drawing. Following my prompts in the lower left corner there, and fillets. Geometry, simple arc, and trimming back, so I'll pick my driveway first. Data point, pick the driveway, edge of pavement, data point, and I'm good. Okay, so remember how I said Open Roads remembers how we did things? Our goal here was to be 30 feet off the edge of pavement at that line, along that center line. So if I move my center line, everything should update, including that one to the right, according to the rules we built. So notice it still ties into the intersection on that. Okay, so regardless of where this moves, it's always going to tie into the center line of that. That is just, I'm inspired.